All right, 5:38 in the morning on August 20th. A little bit later, going for a shorter run. Did a longer one yesterday. Checking out some new Bondi B shoes for men. That's just my caboose. And I do have a good roll forward rice field this morning. A lot more support from left arch on my left foot. Definitely feels the difference. In South Korea, slight jog today. Korean houses been old. Foot slipping around just a little bit right now.
Blow that dog. A lot of extra thickness to it. Traction. So here's the Cavu 3s. I've been running in the Cavus for a year and a half. And here's the Bondi B male. Look at the difference in those two shoes. Here's the bottoms of the shoes. The Bondi B and the Cavu 3. I usually wear out this part of the sole, so hopefully this part stays a little longer. This heel comes up to here, this heel comes up to here. Not much reinforcement there, a lot more here. Different angle. The Bondi is just an all-around big shoe. So we'll take it for a test drive today.
Well, 3.6 miles today. That was a pretty good run in the new Bondi shoes. It's humid outside, very sweaty.